Still struggling financially? These 3 habits might be silently keeping you poor.
Habit 1. Impulsive spending. Every unnecessary purchase drains your wallet and traps you in a financial loop.
Buying things you don't need leaves no room to invest in what truly matters.
Habit hashtag 2. Not investing. Letting your money sit idle means it's losing value while opportunities pass by.
Every day you avoid investing, you fall further behind financially. Habit hashtag 3. A negative mindset. Focusing on lack instead of opportunities keeps you stuck.
Ignoring growth and learning ensures your financial situation never improves.
Your financial freedom starts the moment you change your habits. Start today.